over tonight. It's gonna be a great dinner party.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
What do you have for a salad?
Oh, no. I'm not cooking.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's all me.
Yeah, I mean, I thought, we didn't really talk about it, but
Okay.
it's like, your parents, I thought maybe your thing.
Okay, well I thought we could share the task load.
Okay, alright, and they're coming when?
In about an hour, so we have some time.
Babe. Okay, well that's not a lot of time. Okay, but no, that's cool. Alright, let's cook.
There's something I have to tell you. But it's really hard. Because it's really confusing for me as well. But, I feel like a man inside.
You do?
Yeah. It's something that I feel a lot of guilt and shame about. But it's how I feel.
Come here. I'm glad you told me that.
Mm-hmm.
That took a lot of bravery.
Thank you. But, I was gonna tell my parents tonight too.
It would be, honey, it would be nice if we could, I mean, God, okay. It would be nice if, you can't, I'm glad that you told me. I'm really glad that you had the bravery to tell me. I mean, we've been married for 10 years, and so I kind of wonder how long you've been feeling like that. And it's fine, however long, but you can't tell me an hour before your parents come, and then say you're telling them. Maybe should I call it my parents? Let's have all the parents over.
No, I just...
Yeah.
Knock, knock.
Okay. Right, tell me those aren't your parents right now.
Yeah, I think it is. I came a bit early, I guess.
Susan, answer the door.
Okay.
Susan!
God damn it, let me get some time with that.
Thanks, Dad. Nice to see you. Oh, yeah. Nice Seattle Seahawks t-shirt. Yeah, they...
Hi. Good to see you.
I know. I've been going to the gym a lot.
So pretty.
Sir, good to see you.
So pretty. It's so good to see you. How are both of you?
We're fantastic.
We're great.
Yeah.
That sounds like suspicious.
Wait. You're always worried about suspicious.
Yeah.
I think I smell something.
That's the cook.
Yeah, it's just the kale salad that you're smelling.
Oh, will you grab this other side?
Yeah.
And just keep wrapping.
Okay.
Just keep wrapping around. Just a little bit tighter. Goodness, I wasn't born with giant ones.
A lot. Okay, is that good?
Yeah, that's good. And here, just a second, I've got clips. Here.
Okay.
Awesome. Can you pass me that thing over there?
Oh, that's so trippy.
I know. It's like, just wait till it's all
Put
together.
on the shirt.
Okay. Yeah, not done yet. Grab that thing over there.
Yep.
Right.
Oh,
Thanks. Yeah, no, it's okay.
you don't have any breasts anymore.
I know. And check this out.
Whoa! That's a whole nother level.
I know. I'm seeing Renee later today, and I think she's really going to be into it.
Have you talked about a little bit of that with
Not
her
at all.
before?
Not at all. I'm
So
just
double
like,
surprise.
Yeah, just like, hey, showing up at your door, didn't call ya, look like this.
Whoa.
Take me as I am.
Hey guys.
Whoa, hey.
Gorilla porn? What the
No. Okay, where's the what is that, gender neutral bathroom? Yeah, oh gosh. Can I go in there? There's does both genders go in there? It's kind of gross, don't you think?
Tell me how it's like.
Well, I don't think anyone's in there. Hello? Click. Well,
How is it?
look, we're just gonna go outside. I'm just gonna go outside.
I can't do it.
Jeez. So confused.
Hi, excuse me.
Yeah.
I noticed you're standing as if you really need to pee.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just confused. Gender neutral. Like, that I'm a female. And so can I go in there? Like, or is that for
Absolutely.
like, and like gender neutral, like no gender?
It's for everyone. It's for everyone. It's a new thing that we're doing.
That's all I need to know.
Dad, what are you doing here?
Come on, just play along.
Dad, get out of here.
You're always doing this with your friends. I just want to play. You can't keep me up forever.
Dad, this is really weird. I'm in high school now.
What?
Just trying to get into character before Jimmy and Todd came over to
Jimmy
play
and
the
Todd.
Frog Lords.
What? I've heard about these guys.
Dad, why are you doing that with your tongue? Dad, I hate this. Dad, get out of my room. Get out. Now.
I put on the costume, I put on the makeup. I've been watching you guys for months. This took a lot of work.
Dad, you have a really awesome costume. You're a really awesome dad. Now will you please leave my room?
I practice my ribbon.
Knock knock.
Oh God, they're here. They're here.
Ribbit.
Hi guys. Ribbit. Oh God, Dad, I can't do this.
I wanted to come as a bunny.
You guys are all. That's not how the game goes. Your dad, you gotta be
What's
at
your
least
dad?
this tall to ride. You're
That's
over
it. I'm going.
Thanks.
It was nice to meet you guys.
Oh,
Good to meet you.
well, okay.
Well, goodbye.
Where are you going?
She wants me gone.
She does?
Linda, I want to ask you a question.
Yes, Galen.
How did you feel about those last few scenes?
I'm not sure what that was supposed to be on stage right now.
Yeah, sure.
So I guess I'll leave.
I think wow! I think I was a little confused by the last one.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I think they were very, very good.
Is there any scene you'd like to see?
No, I'm going to leave it to you people, the expert. However, it's difficult not to laugh with the audience.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm glad you brought that up. Go ahead and laugh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, react naturally.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. For some emotions that you felt or that you saw on stage, emotions, feelings, or even themes, just shout them out. Connection, belonging, compassion. What is that? Truth? Sad? It's not over. What's that?
Loneliness.
Loneliness. Humor. Okay, that's great. Thank you. We'll see you, Lon.
This is Elon.
Dear Rose, I've been thinking of a way to move on in this forsaken, terribly British city after me and my lousy ex have split up, and yet he refuses to find a new community. And so I'm kind of wondering what to do. How do I find a new sense of belonging?
I'm glad you wrote. I hadn't heard from you in so long. I'm curious to hear all about Victoria, though you sound a little upset. Maybe you should just come back to Rhode Island. We all miss you here. Would that be better? Question mark.
Fuck Rhode Island. Fuck Rhode Island and all of those places that I ever came from. I left the U.S. for a good reason. I'm not sure that Victoria is really the place for me to stay, though. It's just... I don't know if it's home.
Victoria. The streets are paved with gold. And all the buildings have tiny little pyramids on top of them. Wow. What do you think?
Strange. I mean, it's not what I would have done had I developed a city. I mean, okay, let's walk down Douglas, okay?
Alright. I'm excited.
Now, as you walk, I want you to look at what you see and ask yourself whether or not you feel engaged or drawn in to go in there and like connect with people. Okay, so there's a Burger King. Do you want to go in there? Well,
I mean,
I don't have any on me. Can you?
I just don't know if
You know, actually,
wait.
hi. Hi. My name's Sarah. This is Jennifer. We were just talking about Victoria, and we're both kind of. I've got like some. Here, okay. There you go.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Victoria.
That worked strangely well. I wonder if it gets
Thank you.
nicer.
Thank you very much.
I just put another one in. Do you get
Oh.
nicer?
Yeah, I
Those kind of.
do that.
Anyways, how long have you lived here?
Long enough. Do you guys have any questions?
Oh yeah,
Actually, I have a question.
Yes.
How wonderful is it here? Wow.
Yeah, the air is pretty good.
Yeah.
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 They got some good blankets and pillows. Yeah, free bread
Free bread?
everywhere.
Well, that's pretty good.
All right, moving along, folks. Moving along. You can't be here. Hey,
We were just having a conversation.
no loitering on the
trying
sidewalk.
to figure out.
Hey.
It's my
See, this is exactly what
Yeah.
I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. When you're caught up in the glitz and glam and the golden
Hey,
streets.
excuse me, ma'am. I don't have time for a speech right now. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to move it along. You know, I'm security here. I'm just doing my job. Just doing my job.
There's more, I swear.
Hey, Caleb, so, listen. You know, we've been staying at this house for like 5 years.
Yeah.
You know, we've been jamming out in the basement.
Yeah,
It's been
yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Got a great sense of community.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
community. Okay, anyway, but
Yeah,
it's
it's
been
great.
awesome.
Yeah,
There's
it's
been some
wonderful.
challenges. I mean,
It's been hard,
you
it's been
gotta
fun,
do your
it's been
freaking
good.
dishes sometime, man. Like I've been doing your dishes the whole time, but that's okay. That's okay. It's all right. It's all right. We're hanging out, making music, we're making lots of art. You know, there's 5 bedrooms in this house. There's
No.
People sleep on our couch like every night, and that's okay.
Alright, fine.
I took his socks off. I washed them in the washer. And I put them back on his feet because I just couldn't do my homework. But it's okay because it's awesome. There's so much energy.
Alright, I feel
It's
I'm
great.
getting different messages from you. So I'd like to bring it down to a kneeling meeting.
Okay, sure. Kneeling meeting.
Alright.
All right. This is better. My
Alright.
heart rate has already gone down.
Thank you for coming to the kneeling meeting, John. I just want to say that I think that you're upset with me. I feel confused and hurt that you aren't. I feel like you're mad at me about the dishes.
No, I'm not mad at you about the dishes, and I appreciate you bringing this into kneeling meeting mode. It opens up my heart. But what I want to talk about and what I'm mad about is that someone has bought the house.
Somebody has bought the house.
And
What?
Yes, it's a new owner.
A new owner.
And they are going to renovate it.
Renovation.
Yes. And not like renovations with like solar panels and like a big windmill on the top and a slide coming down to the basement.
Imperialist reservation.
Not
But
like that.
They're slicing it up, they're making it like a single unit thing, and they're jacking up the prices. And they're kicking us out.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
So,
Get out of here. Get out of here. It's my house now. You guys are all evicted. Get up.
Hey,
Get
we're
up.
in the middle of a kneeling meeting.
Yes, they were in the middle of a kneeling meeting. And all this changed. When?
Frank. Frank.
Hey.
Frank.
Hey, where are you?
Wait, I'm over here, honey.
Oh,
Honey.
hey, hi.
Come on.
Hi.
You had your meds today, sweetie.
Well, I took some of the red ones, and yeah, good to go.
Okay, did you have your blue? Oh, caught yourself up on the drapes. Now, it's time we talked about renewing the will.
We've written one.
Yes. But it was a long time ago,
Alright.
and things have changed. So I think we need to renew it. And I wanted to ask you about, you remember when we lived in that house by the ocean?
That was a good house.
Remember?
That was a good one.
Well,
Yeah. We should go back there.
I was thinking we could buy it. What if that were our legacy, Frankie?
I've got 50 cents.
Oh, come on. Quit fooling me. You are so funny. No, we gotta. Wait, you being serious?
hey Maybelline, are you talking about the old house we used to live in?
Do you remember?
I remember.
I think I need some more pills to remember.
Oh, shucks.
I haven't seen you for so long.
Oh, yeah. Well, today I feel like an 18-year-old inside. I feel like clicking my heels. Yeah. But when I look in the mirror, I see my face, and it makes me feel weird, and I'm confused.
You are still beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
After all these years.
Thank you so much.
Gladys, tell him the idea.
Oh, Gladys. Now, I'm not sure if Frankie was
I
being
got it.
serious.
I gotta sit down.
Okay. Anyhow, we were
Damn,
talking about renewing the will, because it's been about 2 decades, maybe more, since the last time we looked at it. A lot has changed, and Frankie and I were thinking, maybe we could buy the house by the ocean.
All right.
What do you think?
What are we going to do with it?
Well, good question.
We gotta check in on that gray water system.
Lord!
Hey.
Hey. I don't know what to say.
Well, I had to do it. I put my cell phone on the ground and I smashed it. I smashed it with a hammer in the middle of my living room. So that's what I did, and it is now done.
Yeah, like, do you feel liberated, or I don't know how are your grandchildren gonna get a hold of you?
You know, my grandchildren, that's the thing. They can come and visit me, you know? I don't want to... When I look at... It used to be I'd look at my cell phone and I would see my grandchildren. Because I would wait for them to call.
I can't help. You can talk. I just have to clean up the mess. It's just too much.
It won't make a difference. Clean it up.
Okay.
Sweep it up. But That's not my grandchildren. It's a cell phone, okay? So they can visit me, or I guess we won't talk anymore. Or I guess I could still talk on my iPad. Unless I smash that too.
No. See, I think you're getting it all wrong. Like this resistance, like, yeah, resistance is good, but like, I mean, you gotta get down on their level. You know, you gotta get down on their level. Get down on my level. Get down on my level. You gotta communicate with them the way they understand communication. You gotta match, and then you gotta lead. It's very manipulative.
OMG,
it's very,
OMG,
yes,
LOL.
Yes.
I've got it. I've got it.
Yes. See, you use the technology to lure them to you.
Honey,
you know,
I tried that.
You know,
I
make
used
them
it.
sad.
I sent them pictures
Grandma's
of candy.
sick. Yeah, you know, Grandma's sick. Come on over.
Yeah, I tried that. 911 emergency. Grandma fell.
You know, but like how many
It doesn't-
times you gotta change the storyline? They realize after the 5th time.
And I'm sick of it, and so that's why I smashed it.
I didn't invite any.
Come in.
Grandma. Hi, Grandma. What are you guys doing down there?
Help me up! Help me up! On the there's glass on the floor. I smashed the cell phone.
Yeah, I know. I've been trying to get a hold of you for weeks.
I'm sorry.
I'm sending you texts, links.
I live next door. Weeks. It took you weeks to walk next door. It's so good to see you, but come on.
Look, I just wanted to stop by because I figured, you know, you couldn't figure it out. So, you know, I brought you this old school Macintosh. Maybe you could figure this one out.
Yeah. This isn't a recycling.
Oh, I wanted to see how it felt.
It's really hard glass.
Oh man, those things are indestructible.
Well, there's your gift, and I really hope you use it because I'm really missing you.
Knock, knock. I think this is it. Knock, knock, knock. Hi.
Hi.
Is this the Poistron house?
Yeah. I guess you haven't been here before. You don't have to knock. Were you, like, how long were you knocking? I heard something. I was in my room watching a show. Don't tell my roommates. But come on, come in. Come
Yeah?
in. Yeah.
Is that okay?
Oh, yeah. Everybody is welcome. That's sex. Those are sex. It is just fine. Come in.
Anyways, okay.
Yeah. I'm Galen.
Hey. So I just heard all about this house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't advertise per se. But we talk about that's sex. And I'm not sorry.
Oh gosh, I don't know if you're doing any tours of the house soon, but
Yeah, there's one starting right now.
okay, great.
Okay.
I brought my clipboard.
Oh, Shannon. Oh, Jane.
Okay, you know what? It's okay if I'm here?
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want, I guess I should ask what kind of tour you want exactly.
Oh. Is there options?
Yeah, there's options.
Okay.
First of all, what's your name?
Oh, shit! Hi.
Yeah. So it's that kind of tour, I guess.
Right. I just thought there was like quite like an environmental, educational. I heard you have a really beautiful garden.
Yeah.
Like, you know, there's consciousness around water usage.
Oh, sure, yeah.
And you know, there's musicians and.
Okay, I can totally formulate the tour
Right.
for that.
Really
Yeah.
conscious group of people who love sharing and.
Yeah.
You know, there's like the tickle trunk.
Wait, do you want to move in? Like.
Is there space?
Oh yeah, totally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I'm ready.
Good to meet you.
Hello, Miss Erica.
Hello, Miss Linda.
And what can I do for you this lovely evening?
Well, many things, many things. So, Linda, how many times have you heard sex at our house?
Could you repeat the question, please?
I just want to clear the air. How many times have you heard sex at the house?
What do you mean, heard sex?
I guess I'm just trying to point out that, you know, you hear it from time to time, but at the same time, there's a lot going on.
That's right.
More than just
That's right.
sexual expression.
That is correct. So I could say, honestly, that I've never really heard sex. Because I'm not there late at night.
Yeah.
Or early in the morning. It's just a feeling.
Well, maybe we should change the topic of conversation because I was just attempting to show the audience that we're a more complex household
Yes.
than the scene that was just laid out.
The household is really like Heinz 57 variety.
Yeah.
In all areas.
Oh my gosh. I don't think we've ever been compared to a condiment before.
Or a condom.
No, never a condom. So, okay. I'm gonna...
Yeah, let's pump it up a notch. Everything I'm saying
It's okay.
seems to be taken as double entendre.
So, I guess I'm curious to know
Please.
what for you has been the experience of doing this show? Both the preparation and the lead up and tonight and what comes afterwards. Why did you agree to it? Because when we first started talking about it, you were, I think, apprehensive or mixed feelings, and so tell me what it's meant for you.
Well, I was apprehensive because, like with the monologue, there are things I'd wanted to say, and I didn't put it in, which I can put it in later. But because I'd never done it before, and when I started to look at my life, this is well, it's all mixed up in my mind, but it got me to review my life and where my life has taken me, or where I've taken me. I have responsibility here. And so I was getting very sad because, you know, I've had a very rich life in many ways, a sad life at times, and as I'm aging, sometimes rapidly, I began missing certain people, certain things. I miss the States a lot, but the States that I miss is not what's there now at all. So I think that I've made the right decision, and if any of you know Alice Friedman, the Feldenkrais person, and she's my therapist, she says that I made sane choices from insane thoughts. And I guess, you know, my insane thoughts made me leave the States because of Nixon getting elected. But I did have a bad relationship going on with a rock and roll musician. So I traded that for Iran and Afghanistan at times. But yeah, it's been a good review for me. And of course, working with you people, being in your company, It made me feel younger and alive. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, definitely. And maybe I'll just share a bit of what it's been for me. It's been incredible because we've known each other for 4 or more years, and out of the group we have the closest relationship. And yet, still, as we were preparing, I got to know things about you, and about things that before you hadn't wanted to talk about, that were kind of emotionally off limits. And so, for me, it's been really beautiful to see you, I guess, just go back to those things and both reawaken yourself to those memories and those thoughts, and then also to share them with others. And I think that's been, I guess, shown me a lot about the trust that you have for us, but then also kind of a sense of maybe it's letting go, or letting go of judgment, or letting go of attachment to some of these things. And so it's been really amazing for me to see that in you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I don't know if we should keep going or not, but maybe we'll end the interview here, unless there's something else you want to say. This is your last opportunity to speak, so in the forethought program tonight. It sounded really bad. Sorry. What I meant to say is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, when I was thinking about what I was going to say, I made a joke, which I told you before, and I didn't remember to put it in. So, you know, when I came to Victoria and I told people that I was from Rhode Island, then people would say to me, New York? I wonder where they got that from. Are you from New Jersey? I don't sound like I'm from New York. I'm not from Long Island. I'm from Rhode Island. I'm a New Englander. So then I thought of, aha, I will tell them that I'm going to be like Joan Rivers without the bazoomas. And that's what I wanted to say.
So now is my chance to ask the audience for any emotions or themes or things that stuck out to you from what Linda just shared. Both from the beginning, my awkward attempt to illustrate to the audience that we're more than just a bunch of sexual deviants or something, to the reflection of the process. Sorry, some...
Denial.
Denial.
It ain't a river in Egypt, let me tell you.
What did you see then? At the, she was talking.
Connection between friends.
Sassiness.
Yeah, the sassiness coming from her?
Never.
All right, identity?
Acceptance.
Acceptance.
Friendship.
Learning.
Choices.
What did you say?
Choices.
Sharing. That's
Sharing.
perfectly done.
Flexibility.
Flexibility? Yeah. I've learned to be really flexible, and I think you have too.
Yes, I have. That's putting it mildly.
Yeah. Okay, well maybe we'll leave it at that. We'll do, we have a little bit more for you.
Thank you. What I should do? You help me with this.
I'm just, I'm a guidance counselor, so I guess I could.
Stop the scene. Stop the scene immediately.
Okay.
Do you know what I did for years? What my profession was? Guidance counselor.
We could switch.
You should switch.
So I think you should go back into class.
No, why? It's a beautiful day out here. It's all green.
Linda, you gotta get your education so you can go off to college or something.
Says who?
Says, what do you mean says who? Says yourself. Look into your heart and see your future. You know, you gotta get out there and do stuff.
Says Nixon. Education is very important
It's
for
President
the
Nixon.
children of America.
Lucky you, Linda. Listen to him. He's a good man.
Education is very important, and we must keep on sending them over there to Vietnam to make sure that we stifle out the commies.
Yes, sir.
Now, wait a minute, sir. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but isn't your true name Tricky Dicky?
They used to call me that back in the day when I was in high school, but I haven't heard that in a while. How do you know that? Do you have informants rummaging around my files and whatnot?
I read. I may be 18 years old, but I'm a reader.
Oh, you were reading that hippy-dippy Haight-Ashbury comic book news crap that they print with the rock and roll musicians?
Oh no, I read Allen Ginsberg, Jack Kerouac.
Oh, those fluffs. Fluffs!
Never heard that word before.
I don't know you have, and you can use it all you want. You said the president never taught you anything.
So, okay, feeling kind of nervous because tonight we have book club and I haven't read the novel.
You know, I never do. I breeze through it, you know, it's just like great time to practice listening. Come to the group, get the vibe. In fact, let's just go. Let's just go to the club. You're not ready?
No, I didn't read that.
What was the book?
Something by Jack Kerouac.
The name really helps. The name of the book.
Something about hitchhikers.
Don't you know the name?
I lost it.
Yeah.
I'm just not ready.
Look.
Oh, come in. Welcome to book club. Welcome. Come in. Is there someone behind you? I thought I saw someone.
Maybe.
Heather.
She's gonna. Okay.
Hi. Welcome.
Hey.
I brought muffins.
This is a book club, not an eating party.
But I thought I could offer something.
Oh, okay. Sorry, that was so rude. That was so rude. I'll put them right over there.
So yeah, that book we're reading, eh?
Oh my God.
It's got a great title, eh?
I have to actually apologize because I wanted to read it.
Yeah.
I wanted to read it 3 times, and I read it. I read it 2.5 times. Yeah. I mean, what I did is I went back.
Right?
I read everything else by Jack Kerouac.
You know that part, that really exciting part.
Which one?
Yeah, at the beginning when they were like really like revealing the characters.
Yeah, I guess. Would you like it? Oh, okay.
Sorry, I was just totally agreeing with what you guys were saying. So insightful.
There's
like,
so many exciting parts. You're right.
What did you think it meant when he's standing there at the window, looking through, and do you remember what he saw?
Well, you know, I'm not really all that good with like recall questions because I'm really reading for meaning. I'm trying to read through the lines, and so I don't remember what he saw, but I remember the feeling, and it was something to do with like something in his gut.
Yeah, that made my gut just going through the whole book. Like this. Yeah. I know.
Okay.
It was.
Okay.
Would you agree though? Come on, how is your gut doing?
I'm actually doing a detox right now. So, yeah. It's doing some other things.
Oh my gosh! I totally forgot. That's why you were so pissed about the muffins.
Yeah, I'm sorry about my reaction to the muffins. Way out of line.
Okay, well I guess I'll have another one.
I love book club.
Baby, how'd that sound?
Try it again.
Oh, you are my sun greed.
Sorry, what? Your son?
I'm just feeling it.
Okay, yeah.
It's like, I just need some support, you know?
So I guess this is it. Yeah, it's not all it was cracked up to be, huh?
Nope. No.
Yeah, we've got like 24-hour clock going. It's weird, this new like time, the exact moment of your death thing. I just like don't really know what to do with my last moments, whether or not I should impart some knowledge, go skydiving. Just don't know yet.
I know what you mean. I mean, I have 4 years left. So I'm not really focusing on that yet. But let's
Maybe focus on me, something you could like, you know, just, I want to be remembered, you know,
Yeah.
I want to be...
So yeah, we could brainstorm ways to be remembered. There, you could like get fired out of a cannon.
No, just like, I don't really feel like it's just feasible right now,
Yeah.
like, I don't really have a budget for that, like,
Idea. Write the great Canadian novel.
I've been working on it,
Okay.
actually.
Good.
I
Good.
got a title. It is called, you're gonna love it, really gonna love it. It's Zombies.
Yeah, I love it so far.
Yeah, immigrate
Okay.
from.
Oh, actually, you know, that just sounds like such a good book. I'll buy it.
Yeah, no, but it's
Oh,
like,
there's more?
yeah,
Okay.
from the dead to life in the Great White North.
Guys, zombies. They're coming up from Los Angeles, San Francisco. They ran out of water. They tapped it out, man. They drilled it down.
I
they
told them
sprouted
they
it out.
would. No,
I told you to stop eating almonds like 10 years ago. You see those plants? They have to water them 24 hours a day.
That can't be true.
It's true.
It's true, man.
I've seen the footage.
That's crazy.
So what does this mean for us?
It
What does
means
it mean
the
for
zombies are on the way up. Yeah, they're wearing Justin Bieber t-shirts.
And skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
They're so cool.
They have hipster beards.
Bite me! Bite me!
There's one right now.
I want to be one.
He's drinking a Fanta.
It's from habit.
Alright, I've got to sweep the scene because like we're over time, but we have just one more thing that we want to do. So if you all could join me back on stage, are there props around? By any chance? Those really cool props we've got. We're gonna sing this thing.
Someone ate the apple.
Oh no! Bring the cord. But while they're gathering everything, I just want to thank everyone so much for coming. That's what they're for. It's good.
Oh yeah, was that a button?
I want to thank you all for coming out and supporting us and being part of this awesome event. It's been really, really fun for us. Thank you, Linda, so much for being part of this. Thank you, Tim and Petra, for opening up your house. we want to invite you to hang around for a little bit. They said we could have a little hangout time. Let's just get to know each other and have some fun after we, well, during and after we sing the song. Any other thank yous that I'm missing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Galen, we want to thank you.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Thanks.
Thanks, Galen.
Let's do the song.
Alright. So,
Oh, well.
let's pass them down. Pass the things down.
Wait a minute.
I got berries.
No, you got honey.
Yeah, oh, honey.
All right, here we go.
The golden corn and the apples on the trees, for the golden butter and the honey from the bees, the roots and nuts and berries gathered on the way. Hey, hey, we thank our loving mother to bless her every day. Yeah!
That's it. Let's take a bow, Linda.
Thank you, Linda.
Did you ever think you'd be involved in a theater production?
What did you say, Sharon?
Did you think you would ever be involved in a theater production?
I think I always wanted to be an actress. May we all get wiser and younger every day.